That's the magic of lemon bread, and it's a magic anyone can master. First, gather the necessary ingredients. You'll need 3/4 of a cup of soft, unsalted butter, 1 cup of sugar, 3 eggs, 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon each of baking powder and salt, 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk, 2 teaspoons of grated lemon rinds, 3/4 of a cup of chopped walnuts or pecans, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. Begin by merging the soft butter with sugar. The butter must be soft, not melted, to ensure the perfect texture. Once they're combined, introduce the eggs, one at a time, and bring them into the mix, making sure to beat well after each addition. Next, unite the dry ingredients. Combine the flour, baking powder, and salt, ensuring they're well mixed. This dry blend will be added to the butter-sugar-egg mix, but not all at once. Instead, alternate between adding the dry ingredients and the buttermilk. This method guarantees a balanced blend, helping the bread achieve its signature tender crumb. Now the lemon rind and chopped nuts take the stage. Stir these into the mix, infusing the batter with a refreshing citrus zing and a delightful crunch. Transfer this batter into a greased and floured loaf pan, ready for the oven. Bake this at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. A good way to check for doneness is to insert a pick into the center of the bread. If it comes out clean, the bread is ready to leave the oven. While the bread cools in its pan for about 10 to 15 minutes, blend the powdered sugar and lemon juice. Once the bread is cool enough to handle, remove it from the pan. Using a pick, poke several holes on the top of the bread. The final flourish, spoon the lemon juice and powdered sugar mix over the top, allowing it to seep into the holes while the bread is still warm. And there you have it. In a nutshell, the perfect lemon bread involves a careful blend of wet and dry ingredients, an infusion of lemon and nuts, a precise baking time, and a finishing glaze of lemon sugar. The result? A loaf of bread that's a symphony of flavors and textures, ready to be sliced and savored. Enjoy.